Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing a Sephora haul with you guys. I'm going to be sharing some products that I picked up from Sephora. And yes, I know we just had the sale. But if you're interested to see what I picked up at Sephora this time around, just keep on watching. Before I get started with today's video, I have to thank today's sponsor, which is Ana Luisa Jewelry. I am wearing some new pieces from Ana Luisa Jewelry that I am obsessed with, starting off with these beautiful earrings. I am going to be posting close-ups, but you guys know how much I love Ana Luisa Jewelry. I have been wearing their pieces for years, and I did receive some new things, so I wanted to share with you guys. And I also have some important details about a sale that they have coming up. So if you have been wanting to try Ana Luisa Jewelry, this is your time to try it. This is my favorite place for my accessories because they last so long. Sometimes I forget to take them off to shower and all that, and I swear I have been wearing this bracelet for months and months and months, and it's just one of my favorites. So today we have some new earrings on, and these are called ELISE. And then we have the matching necklace. I feel like the necklace is so dainty. Like, you could have any top and it's just this cute little gem that's going to sparkle with your outfit. It's so beautiful. So yeah, I'm just giving you guys a quick little gift idea because I feel like their jewelry is just so beautiful. It's classy, it's sophisticated. You can make a statement, but they're also, you can wear them every single day. Now, you guys know how much I love Ana Luisa Jewelry, and I'm always just stacking their jewelry and mixing different pieces together, and this is the best time of the year to try them out because their Black Friday sale is coming up, and they are going to be having up to 30% off of their accessories. And if your cart reaches $130, you will get a free piece of jewelry. That to me is a win-win. You could get some great gifts for your family, or you could treat yourself. You also get a free piece of jewelry. They have free shipping in the US. They have worldwide affordable shipping. Their pieces are quality pieces. They're going to last forever. I have pieces that I've had for years, since I was living in Puerto Rico more than 3-4 years ago. So I really love Ana Luisa Jewelry, and I just wanted to give them a shout out. Ana Luisa also offers 2-year warranty, and they have so many styles to choose from. So go ahead and check out their website. I'm going to be leaving their information in the description box below. Check them out, and I am going to be putting the name of the styles in the description box below. So with that said, I want to thank Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. And with that said, let's move on to the Sephora haul. All right, so these are just kind of like products that I had purchased last minute, the last day of the sale. And I just want to show you real quick the things that I picked up. So I just picked up this huge bottle of the Daily Brush Cleaner Spray. I got this because I was running out of my brush cleaner. I did pick up a Cinema Secrets one, but I got confused and I picked up like a really tiny size. I'm gonna run out of that in no time. So I figured I would try the Sephora one. I've never tried this one, but since it was 30% off, I got it for a really good price. So I'm gonna try this out just to spray my brushes when I'm done with my makeup and keep them clean in between washes, which I am so lazy with. I hate cleaning my makeup brushes. Next up, I'm just picking up whatever I get from the bag. So next up, I picked up the Fenty Beauty Grip Trip. This is a makeup primer, and this is geared more towards dry skin girlies. So I have normal to dry skin. They have a mattifying one as well, but mattifying for me is like, no. It's just not gonna work. So this one was the one that I decided to go with, and the packaging is so cute, very different. I love it. And you do get like a combination of those two formulas. So this is supposed to be hydrating, and it's supposed to be a plumping primer, and it does have like a serum mixed in with like some type of cream looking consistency. I am not too sure, but when I pumped this out, I did notice that it's very different from other primers. It's kind of like a gel and a serum mixed together. It sinks into the skin. It doesn't just sit on top of my skin, and it does feel a little grippy, but it's the perfect amount of grip. It's not too tacky. It doesn't sit on top of your skin and feel itchy. I feel like I don't have no makeup on right now. I'm wearing it right now with my foundation. My foundation went over it perfectly. No complaints. So I'm happy that I added this because I'm not a person who tries a bunch of primers. I do have a lot of them in my collection already, so I've just been using what I have, but this right here is a great addition for dry skin girlies. I also picked up another one of the Edam. This is the La Chouchou lip softening balm, and this has peptides. It has hibiscus enzymes, African mongogo oil, Brazilian acai butter, moringa oil. This is a cushioning lip treatment. It has hydrating ingredients. It's glossy. It is thick. It feels so good. And I got the guava one for my first one, but then I saw that they had these limited edition like holiday ones. I wish I would have got the darker one because this one is supposed to smell like a croissant, but I don't smell anything in this one. Am I the only one? I kept smelling it and I just don't smell anything. The packaging is cute. This one is like a gold packaging and it has a metal tip applicator, and the shade of it is like this clear color with gold shimmers. Yeah, I barely smell, like it has the most faint, maybe that's just the perfume that I have in my hand. It's probably not even this, but I'm excited because this is supposed to exfoliate your lips and kind of like plump and hydrate. I don't think they claim to plump, but I feel like they plump my lips, and I just added one more just because of the limited edition shade, and these feel so good on the lips. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Ooh, that is so glossy. I am so picky with bronzers, but I had to try this one out because I just kept going back to it and like wanting to try it, so I just added it on the last day and picked it up. This is from Hung Van Gogh. It's a new brand at Sephora, and I believe this is a makeup artist brand, and this is a soft blurring bronzer. I got it in the shade Straightforward. This is my new favorite bronzer. It's my new favorite bronzer. It's what I have been looking for in every single bronzer that I try, which is a bronzer that I can just literally like slap on my face and not have to worry that it's gonna look patchy, that it's gonna look orange or anything like that. So the packaging is really nice. I like this red color. I'm not really a red person, but it's really unique. It's really nice. And this shade right here is everything. The formula is so soft, it almost feels like a cream, to be honest, and the way that this blends out on the skin is magical. It's literally as if you were putting on a cream. It's so smoothing. It's not too orange. Honestly, it's everything. I'm so happy that I picked it up, and I'm gonna keep using it. I did use it today, and I feel like I don't look orange. I don't look too much, so this shade is perfection for me. I also picked up the Rhode Peptide Eye Patches. Some people say that this is amazing. Some people say that they do not like it. So I'm very, very curious about this one. They're supposed to be cooling eye patches infused with peptide and caffeine that depuff and brighten under the eyes. I ran out of my Peter Thomas Raw patches, and I think this only brings like 6 pairs. So I'm gonna run out of them quickly, but I want to give them a try and see how I feel about them, even though I've heard that these are more like the sticker kind and they're not really like hydrating, like wet or anything. So we shall see how I like these. I also picked up the Summer Fridays Holiday Trio just because I wanted to get the scents or the flavors or whatever of these lip balms. So this set does come with 2 full-size limited edition lip butter balms, and then you get 1 Summer Fridays jet lag mask. I haven't used the jet lag mask in a while, but I was just very, very excited about the lip balms, which is my favorite lip balm to have in my purse. So this one does come with hot cocoa, which this color is freaking gorgeous. I love it, and it smells just like hot chocolate too. It's so, so good. And then the toasted marshmallow, this packaging is so beautiful. It is like this iridescent, creamy. This one has a scent, but it's not a super strong scent. Kind of like vanilla, perfect for this time of the year. So very excited for this set. Can't wait to add these to my purse. My pink one is starting to get a little low. So, ooh, I picked this up. I have not heard no one talk about this. I haven't even looked up reviews. I literally just added it to my cart. This is the Soft Services Buffing Bar, and I got it in, this is the mild one. It's a micro crystal exfoliant for your body. Now that I have been going to the gym a lot, I get texture easily because you're sweating and all of that. So when I come home, I have to like run in the shower, I exfoliate, I scrub, I do all the things, but I want to have products that are specifically aimed for that. So this is a set of 2 mild to moderate exfoliating bricks for body skin made of fine sanding crystal crystals swirled throughout a moisturizing, soothing base. Formulated for those seeking a balanced, frequent buff. Fragrance to smell of freshly poured espresso, smooth vanilla, coconut cream, and a twist of Italian citrus. So this is good for soft skin maintenance, rough and bumpy skin on arms, legs, and hips, keratosis pilaris, and areas prone to ingrown hairs. How cute. I love it. I'm so excited to try this out. I'm gonna be using this everywhere because here in Arizona you're gonna be crusty, you're gonna be dry. It's not a cute situation, so got this to see if it helps. I also heard so much about this Edom, like I'm all into the Edom brand now. I also picked up the cashmere peel. I think one of you guys, I think someone recommended it to me. This is the Gentle Exfoliating AHA PHA Toner. And I was looking at it before and I didn't check out because I was just like, you have so much skincare. Why do you need something else? But I did get kind of like called into it because it's a fast fading peel with the softest feel. So it's kind of made, I think, for like people with sensitive skin like myself. And this is a glow generating milky exfoliant that lifts away layers of darkened skin cells, unclogs pores, and refines skin texture. Sign me up. That's exactly what I want in my skin. So this has lactic acid, azelaic acid, gluconolactone, and tranexamic acid, rice water, and kaleido oatmeal. Wow, that sounds amazing for sensitive skin because you are getting the ingredients to exfoliate, but you're also getting ingredients like rice water and kaleido oatmeal that will help to soothe and moisturize and hydrate and just calm that skin down. So very excited to try this out. Then we have this Merit Beauty. I got another lip liner. I don't know how I feel about it though. This one's really like the Archival one that I got, like the first one that they sent me in PR. That one's more like pinky. I mean, this is like the perfect cool brown lip liner, but I will say it's more for like every day. It's not going to give you like a super defined lip, more for like just putting on a lip balm or a gloss and going on about your day. So really pretty. This is in the shade Bespoke. This is the Signature Sheer Lip Liner. And last but not least, I picked this up because of Avril Does Makeup. So I was looking at people's hauls when they showed their Sephora hauls. And of course, one of my favorite girlies when it comes to hauls and makeup is Avril. I always get confused. Avril loves makeup or does makeup. She also does true crime. I love her channel for my Spanish speaking viewers. And she picked this one up and I was curious about it because I do have two other shades in this formula, but she picked up a shade that I have been kind of obsessed with lately, which is like those beigey type of shades. And this is the Cloud Crush Blurring Blush from Too Faced. And this is in the shade Velvet Crush. I love these because the packaging is kind of like the shade that you're gonna have inside. Here is Velvet Crush. So these type of blushes look kind of boring when you're looking at them, like, you know, swatching them and stuff. But this just gives like the most natural, I'm not even wearing makeup type of look. It's just right here. It's so beautiful. It's like a beigey, soft blush. Perfect. I can't wait to wear this. So that brings me to the end of today's Sephora haul. I just love all of the new products and trying everything and getting back to you guys. So I'm very, very excited to try all of these new products, which I used a lot today and they were all really good. So with that said, that's going to be it from me today. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to check out Ana Luisa and their Black Friday sale. Take advantage. I'm telling you, you're going to love the pieces that you pick out. And with that said, that's going to be it from me. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video.